In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new account in QuickBooks with ease and efficiency. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or need a refresher, these steps will guide you through the process. So let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. This will be your starting point. Once you've landed on the QuickBooks site, you'll find a wealth of tools at your fingertips to help manage your finances more effectively. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to the settings. Look for the gear icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will open up a menu with various options to customize and manage your QuickBooks experience. This is like the control center for your QuickBooks account, where you can adjust and view settings to suit your needs. With the Settings menu open, find and select Chart of Accounts. This is a crucial section where all your financial accounts are organized and where you can perform tasks like editing existing accounts or adding new ones. The chart of accounts acts as a master list of all the financial categories in your business, each one crucial for accurate reporting and bookkeeping. Once you've clicked on Chart of Accounts, you'll see a button that says New. Go ahead and click on it. This action will initialize the process of creating a new account. Think of this as setting up a new folder in your financial filing cabinet, ready to store specific information. Next, focus on entering the account number. This is an important step if you use specific numbering to identify accounts, ensuring that your bookkeeping remains orderly and accessible. Input your desired number carefully to avoid any confusion later. Afterward, it's time to name your account. The account name should be both descriptive and easy to remember, as this is crucial when reviewing financial statements or search results later on. A clear and concise name saves you time and avoids any unnecessary misunderstandings in the future. Now, move on to selecting the account type. This is where you define the nature of the account, such as income, expense, assets, or liabilities. Accurate categorization helps maintain cleaner and more useful financial records, giving you better insights into your business's performance. Finally, if your new account involves a credit card, be sure to assign it as such. Selecting credit card is vital for managing transactions and reconciling statements accurately. Monitoring these accounts diligently can save costs and catch errors early. And that's how you set up a new account in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you'll streamline your financial management and ensure your accounting practices are sharp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.